Hey everyone! Today, I'm excited to walk you through a quick and easy way to get a free $100 Costco promo code. This method is super straightforward and only takes a few minutes, so stick around to see how it's done. To get started, head over to escaponco.co/Costco. Once you're on the site, the first thing you need to do is enter your email address. This is important because your $100 promo code will be sent directly to your inbox, so make sure you enter it correctly. I'm going to enter my email now so you can follow along and see exactly how it works. After entering your email, the next step is to choose whether you're using an Apple or Android device. It's essential to select the correct option since the process might vary slightly depending on your device. The site will now begin generating your promo code. Don't worry, this only takes a few moments. It's one of the quickest and easiest ways to score $100 off your next Costco purchase. Now, your promo code is almost ready, but there's one final step we need to complete. To confirm that you're a real person and not a bot, the site will ask you to verify yourself by downloading 2 free apps from the App Store. These apps are completely free, and you can choose any 2 that are available to you. No need to pick the same ones I'm selecting. Occasionally, an app might not download or work properly, so if that happens, just pick a third app as a backup. I'm downloading my second app now, and once both apps are installed, you'll need to open and run each one for about a minute. Some apps might ask you to complete a quick survey or sign up, so if that comes up, just follow the instructions to ensure the verification process goes smoothly. Once you've run the apps for the required time, head back to your email and refresh the page. Your $100 Costco promo code should be waiting for you in your inbox, ready to use. It's really that simple. I'm refreshing my email now, and there it is, my free Costco promo code. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. I'm always sharing tips and tricks like this, so stay tuned for more great content. Thanks for watching, and have an awesome day.